Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Perler beads are probably one of the most versatile and engaging craft supplies available today, offering endless creative possibilities for both children and adults looking to express their artistic side through pixel art and intricate designs, making them a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a fun, hands-on activity that also sharpens fine motor skills and encourages imaginative thinking. Number 5. Perler Beads Large Square Pegboards. Introducing a large square pegboard set designed for kids' crafts. This set is perfect for creating bigger and better fused bead projects. Each set includes 4 large square pegboards, reusable ironing paper, and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. These pegboards easily snap together, allowing you to create an extra-large surface. It's perfect for those ambitious fused bead designs you've been dreaming of. The connected pegboards can hold up to 3,364 beads, giving you ample space for intricate patterns. Each individual board holds 841 beads. Simply place your pattern underneath, follow the colors, and fuse your creation with a household iron. Your fused bead art can then be cherished forever. Individually, each pegboard measures 5.7 by 5.7 inches. When connected, they form an impressive 11.4 by 11.4 inch crafting surface. These pegboards are designed to be used again and again. Enjoy endless hours of creative fun with this versatile craft tool. What we like. This set is perfect for ambitious crafters who want to create massive, impressive designs. If you are looking to build a large-scale mosaic or a detailed mural, these interlocking boards offer the expansive canvas you need. You should consider this if you have a big project in mind and want to connect multiple boards for maximum creative freedom. What people say. Having clear pegboards means that you can lay them directly over the templates to make following the pattern a little easier, although it is still a little tricky to see the variation between similar colors, for example the 3 shades of green in the tree. These shapes are a great size, not too big, that require a lot of beads. These have worked great, love that they are clear and we can see the design, easy to use for a 4- and 7-year-old, great size and overall a great buy. Number 4. Perler Beads Assorted Clear Pegboards for Kids' Crafts. Get ready for endless crafting fun with our versatile pegboard set. It's perfect for kids aged 6 and up to explore their imagination. This set includes 5 clear pegboards in various shapes and sizes, along with a reusable ironing paper sheet. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Easily follow pre-made patterns or design your own unique creations. Simply place the clear boards over your bead designs and bring them to life. These clear pegboards are designed for repeated use, ensuring hours of creative enjoyment. Craft again and again with the same durable boards. Designed for children aged 6 and up, this set encourages fine motor skills and artistic expression. It's a fantastic way for kids to spend their creative time. Explore different shapes with our included pegboards: a large square, a large hexagon, a small circle, a small star, and a small heart. So many possibilities await. What we like. This is the ideal choice for those who love variety and want to explore different creative avenues. If you are looking for versatility in your bead art, from small charms to larger pieces, this set offers multiple shapes to spark your imagination. You should consider this if you enjoy experimenting with different forms and want a good mix for various projects. What people say. Having clear pegboards means that you can lay them directly over the templates to make following the pattern a little easier. These shapes are a great size, not too big, that require a lot of beads. These have worked great, love that they are clear and we can see the design, easy to use for a 4- and 7-year-old, great size and overall a great buy. Number 3. Perler Beads Funfusion Large Clear Interlocking Pegboards. Unleash your creativity with our large, clear interlocking pegboards. They are designed for easy use and seamless connection, allowing you to bring your biggest ideas to life. This set includes 2 clear pegboards, ironing paper, and simple instructions. You'll have everything you need to get started on your next masterpiece right away. Each pegboard measures 5.7 inches long by 5.7 inches high. Their generous size is ideal for creating impressive and expansive perler bead projects. The clear design makes it incredibly easy to follow along with various patterns. You can see your design come to life as you place each bead. Featuring interlocking teeth, these pegboards connect effortlessly. This allows you to expand your creation surface and tackle even larger, more ambitious designs. Use these versatile pegboards to craft truly huge perler bead projects. The interlocking feature ensures stability as you build your artistic visions. What we like. This option is great for crafters who want a straightforward way to tackle larger projects with ease. If you are looking for clear visibility to follow intricate patterns, these interlocking boards make the process seamless. You should consider this if you value simplicity and clear guidance for creating bigger, more complex bead art. What people say. The size is great for larger perler bead designs, and the clear surface makes it easy to follow patterns underneath. It is very thick and steady. This made it a lot easier to use compared to the regular smaller pegboards. I was able to create a very large Pokemon with it and it was easy. This is truly a great board for any project, small or large. If you see any reviews about the board bending, it is most likely that they pressed down too hard when ironing or had the iron too high. The instructions say to iron on a flat surface with iron set to medium and no steam water. Then iron in circular motion without pressing down. Number 2. Perler Beads Extra Large Clear Pegboard. Introducing our redesigned extra large clear pegboard, now stronger and more versatile than ever. It's perfect for bringing your biggest perler bead ideas to life. This super pegboard can hold over 3,300 beads, giving you the freedom to create intricate and expansive designs. It's ideal for ambitious crafting projects. Featuring convenient tabs, it easily connects with other perler pegboards. Expand your crafting surface and unlock even more creative possibilities. Both the pegboard and the included ironing paper are reusable, offering great value and endless crafting fun. Enjoy creating again and again. This set includes one large clear pegboard, a sheet of ironing paper, and fusing instructions. A full-size tiger pattern and other design ideas are also provided to inspire you. Suitable for crafters aged 6 and up, this pegboard is a fantastic tool for developing creativity and fine motor skills. Get ready for hours of engaging fun. What we like. This is the ultimate board for serious artists aiming for grand-scale creations without the hassle of connecting multiple pieces. If you are looking for a robust, single-piece solution for massive bead art, this extra-large board is designed for durability and ease of use. You should consider this if you want to create a single, monumental piece and prefer a strong, reliable platform. What people say. The size is great for larger perler bead designs, and the clear surface makes it easy to follow patterns underneath. It is very thick and steady. This made it a lot easier to use compared to the regular smaller pegboards. I was able to create a very large Pokemon with it and it was easy. This is truly a great board for any project, small or large. If you see any reviews about the board bending, it is most likely that they pressed down too hard when ironing or had the iron too high. The instructions say to iron on a flat surface with iron set to medium and no steam water. Then iron in circular motion without pressing down. Number 1. 24,000 Mini Fuse Beads Kit for Adults. Discover a world of vibrant colors with our extensive 24,000 Mini Fuse Bead Kit. It offers 48 unique shades, ensuring you have the perfect hue for every project. This complete set includes everything you need to get started, from multiple pegboards for various designs to precise tweezers for easy handling. Craft with confidence thanks to our high-quality beads. Their uniform size and material ensure consistent, even fusing for smooth, detailed results every time. Experience 4 times the resolution of standard beads, allowing for intricate portraits, anime characters, and detailed pixel art creations. Engage in a relaxing, screen-free activity that's perfect for adults and teens. Packaged beautifully, it makes a thoughtful gift for any crafting enthusiast. We've included extra bags of black and white beads, the most frequently used colors, so you never run out during your creative sessions. What we like. This kit is tailor-made for adults and teens who are passionate about intricate pixel art and detailed designs. If you are looking for the precision needed for portraits, anime, or complex candy bracelets, the mini beads offer higher resolution. You should consider this if you enjoy working with fine details and want to achieve a professional, high-resolution finish in your bead creations. What people say. The perler beads are a great way to keep kids entertained for hours. The perler beads are a fun and creative way to make your own designs. The perler beads are a great way to develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.